you. I'm very excited to share that Kakitala Malik Garu and Chandu Garu are here with us today. And now I'd like to invite them for the lighting of the lamp. So please come forward for the lighting of the lamp.
Adding to the richness of our musical heritage is the renowned Bobbili Veena, and breathing life into its strings is an unassuming hero. Today I have the privilege and honor of introducing Sri Ramakrishna Sarvasiddhi, the 5th generation patent holder of this craftsmanship. He is the son of Sri Sarvasiddhi Veeranna, who was bestowed the National Award by President of India Sri N. Sanjeeva Reddy in 1980. It was this national recognition that stirred matters up at the Madras Institute of Science and Technology and later led to awarding patent rights and the GI tag to our prestigious and precious Bobbili Veena in 2011. This recognition also added to the popularity of the Veena. Sri Ramakrishna Garu has been relentless in his efforts to keep the centuries-old tradition of keeping the craft of making Veenas alive. And he was also bestowed honors as a milestone achievement award by the Handicraft Women's Welfare Society. In fact, he has also passed this knowledge forward, and his sons are also involved in this. His son Sri Hemant also received an award, and we are very happy and privileged that though modest and simple, it is heroes like him who take our heritage and crafts forward and they keep it alive. Thank you, sir, for joining us today. And I would request our guest Malik Garu to kindly felicitate with him with a shawl. And I'd invite Chandu Tippala Garu to please present him with a check. It's a small token of Crafts Council of Andhra Pradesh's appreciation towards the wonderful work that you are doing. Thank you.
Good morning, respected members of the Craft Council and Sri Ramakrishna Garu, the awardee, and people, whole country, whole world knows what is a Veena, and we keep seeing even the President of India, Prime Minister of India is being given the Veena, what is being created and done by Ramakrishna Garu. We are very happy with you to have you, sir. And I congratulate the Craft Council to recognize you. See, very rarely people like you are being recognized, and I'm very happy the way it's done by the Craft Council. Well, I have one or two suggestions to Craft Council. One of the most innovative way I can see all the members, the way you put forward your image or the way you look, everything is innovative. So my only suggestion or request was, the same innovativeness I want you to put in the Craft Council. So each member, it's not necessary that everyone has to be given the money or the service, it can be in any form. So I only suggest, I can see the Oxford Dictionary, Ammaji garu, behind everything, and next Renu. I always see both of them, irrespective of the post, they are very passionate about this. And fortunately, what I hear for Ammaji, that most 99% of the members are very much concerned to do something. So my only suggestion request was, every member personally you think of yourself, am I contributing something to this? It can be in any form, and make your presence felt in the organization so that this organization will become more strong. And we, as a merchant, as a passionate, my family started 80 years back, this textile, and my father is into this, and today we are so because of this industry. So I will be always there for you for anything. In fact, I was requesting Ammaji to hold the national conference here. We are there to support. And I want one more request. Kankatala is there to do annually one event with Craft Council, an innovative event. I don't want an event where everyone is doing. You make your presence innovatively, come up with a suggestion. We are there to support, and I'll make sure that everything is taken care of. Thank you.
Thank you, Crafts Council, and Vani Garu, Ammaji Garu, and Renuka Garu for calling me over here. It's my privilege, honor, and accompanying with uncle is always special to this. So, and every year I keep seeing this in the magazine or in my digital or something like that, but this is the first time I've been witnessing for this event. So I wanted to look around, and also I felt like every year this has been doing. Next year, even for making it bigger and reach more audience or more women or something, I'll contribute my best towards it. And it's nice. Every year we are consistent making this event. So next year for sure, kindly involve me like 45 days before. I'll make it bigger for you.
With me, we have our project director, Gurmeet Kohli. And also we have, in the absence of Abhignya Gandhi, we have from LC 183, Sweetie Joshi, 189, Sweetie Joshi, and Dr. Naini also. We're very happy to associate with the Craft Council of Andhra Pradesh in a wonderful, beautiful event. For the first time in Andhra Pradesh, we will have the Pink Sakhi, a walkathon for cancer with handloom combined. So Andhra Pradesh, the cradle of handloom, and I'm sure with Andhra Pradesh Craft Council with us, meaning will be added in depths. And today I request Red Chandu, who is joining us as our partner. Such a privilege to have Red with us. We're going to paint the city red and pink very soon. February 16, be ready to walk for the cause. I request Malik Garu, Chandu Garu, Renu to help us to launch this poster. This is the first announcement of Andhra Pradesh's first ever Pink Sakhi walk. It is an initiative of the Government of India, and Andhra Pradesh reaches the global skies with this. May I request ma'am, also Ammaji Garu, or respected ladies of the Craft Council to help us.
Please. I'll hold it. Please do it.
Girls, breast cancer is not only a woman's prerogative. Even men suffer breast cancer. So please spread the awareness. Many men have died without knowing that their breasts were so susceptible. So when we talk about cancer, it is with deep depth and respect that we mention the word. So Pink Sisters, join us. Be a Sakhi, wear your handloom pink sari and join us on the beach. Let's be babies, let's tear it open.
It's supposed to be done like that.
Malik has always been a pillar of strength to every woman here. He's dressed us so many years. Thank you, Malik, for being here today too. I'm so sorry. No, give me all that. Malik Garu, ready? Oh,
Come, come.
Mrs. India joins us. Mrs. India too. She will be our brand ambassador.
Ma'am. Smile.
Thank you friends. Thank you so much for permitting us to do this really.